Woke up tired even after 8 hours? When your body feels heavy and your thoughts feel scattered, it's hard to know where to begin. Let this be your anchor, your gentle reset back to calm, strength, and breath. Let's hit the mat. You've been holding a lot. This is where you start to let it go. Begin in child's pose, sinking your hips back towards your heels, arms stretched forward. Inhale as you glide your body forward, lowering into cobra as you lifting your chest gently as your hips melt to the floor. Exhale, return to child's pose. Move slowly with your breath. I promise this move is how you unlock your spine and begin to soften the tension that crept in overnight. If your back feels stiff, keep your elbows bent in cobra for extra support. We're just getting started. Next one opens you up even more. Now that your spine is flowing, let's wake up your core. When your mind feels scattered, balance starts here. Come to all fours, slowly extend your right arm forward and left leg back, keeping your hips level. Exhale to return, then switch sides. Move with control like you're rebuilding from the inside out. I promise this move is how you unlock your stability, focus, and connection. To simplify, lift your leg or your arm. To level up, pause for a full breath at the top. Hold for 5 more seconds on this last side. Now that your center's activated, let's open the front body. You weren't meant to carry it all with rounded shoulders. Stand or kneel, interlace your fingers behind your back. Inhale to lift your chest as you draw your hands back and down. Keep your chin slightly tucked as you breathe into the front of your body. I promise this move is how you unlock your posture, confidence, and breath. Tight shoulders? Just grab a towel behind you instead of clasping your hands. Do you feel that opening across your collarbone yet? Now that you've opened your heart, let's sink into the hips. This one's a challenge, but it grounds everything. Step your feet wide, toes slightly out, drop into a deep squat, bringing elbows inside your knees and hands to prayer. Gently press your knees apart, breathe. This is where the tension lives and leaves. I promise this move is how you unlock your hips, digestion, and grounded presence. Can you go deep yet? Sit on a block or stack of books. Let's make this one your strongest hold yet. You've got 10 more seconds. Now that your hips are grounded, let's release everything down the back line. You've come this far. Stay with me. Stand tall, then fold forward, hinging at the hips. Let your head hang heavy. Soften your knees. This is the final exhale, the full release. Let your body surrender into gravity. Let your mind catch up to your breath. I promise this move is how you unlock your nervous system, flexibility, and quiet strength. Want more depth? Gently shift your weight into your toes. Hold for 5, 4, 3, melt a little deeper, 2, and 1.